NWA Mold Inspector coming to you from Bentonville, Arkansas on a post-test clearance testing, air samples only. We're not doing PCR on this one, but this is opportunity. This is a nugget. I'm excited about this. I've had this conversation with constituents, so not everybody knows what I'm fixing to share with you. This home has a dead valley. You say, what's a dead valley? Let me show you. Okay, when you have a feature on a house where the roof dies right into the side of the home, get out of the sun there, okay. So when that roof comes down and dies right into the side of the house, that's a dead valley. So water, runs down, impacts that brick, which is porous, water daylights on the inside of the house, boom, we have mold, right? So you see flashing here. Well, Brian, that takes care of that problem, doesn't it? Well, it certainly helps. Here's the problem with that statement. That flashing doesn't get installed until after the problem presents itself and daylight's in the house. That's just a fact. 9 times out of 10 anyway, the roofing crew comes through, puts the roof on, moves on to the next one, and they don't think about little things like that. It gets missed. Even with a 6-inch flashing, that flashing with a 2-inch rain coming down the pitch of that roof, that hard will jump that flashing and can still penetrate the house. So the brick needs to be clear coated. We have a second problem with this one where the water's coming so hard it's jumping the gutter. Look at that. So we probably likely have a penetration from this too. So we've got bam, bam. We got 2 penetrations likely on this house from this area. And then usually there's 2, so you got one on the other side of that structure. So you got dead valley, dead valley. So that is what a dead valley looks like on the outside. Let me show you what happens on the inside. Voila, that is what a dead valley cut looks like. Now this one was probably exacerbated down this wall, which ran underneath here and across there. So, but the dead valley water penetration, if that was the only issue here, normally that cut will angle down too because it runs. So this is what a dead valley penetration looks like on the interior of a house. They had no idea, didn't get called out by anybody. I pull in the driveway, I see dead valley. 90% of the time, there's water damage in that house. It's uncanny. So a nugget you need to know if you're in this business. So you're welcome. And signing off from Bentonville, Arkansas, NWAMoldinspector.com.